Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. I want to inform you that we have started a new channel for lectures in Hindi language. So if you want to see the videos in the Hindi language, then you can visit that channel and subscribe that channel for lectures in Hindi language, and the lectures in the English language will be uploaded in this channel of Learning Electronics, and the new channel name is Learning Electronics in Hindi, whose link will be provided in the description box below. So using that link you can go to that channel and subscribe that channel also. Please do subscribe this channel also, and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. In this lecture we are going to solve third numerical related to sensitivity of control system. We have already covered the theoretical part and derivation part of the sensitivity of control system. So if you want to see that video, you can check it in the description box below, or you can go to the channel playlist. So the question on sensitivity is: a closed loop control system for regulating the generator terminal voltage E0 is shown in figure. The forward path gain G is equal to 200 and feedback path gain H is equal to 0.1. First part is determine the reference voltage ER for keeping the output voltage E0 is equal to 250. B part is find the percentage change in generator terminal voltage if the forward path gain is reduced by 10%. So a closed loop control system is given in the figure. It is a negative feedback control system. For such type of system, the overall transfer function T is equal to G divided by 1 plus GH. Therefore, the output voltage upon input voltage will be equal to G upon 1 plus GH. Now we will put the value of G and H in this equation. G is equal to 200 divided by 1 plus 200 into H is equal to 0.1. From here we will get 200 divided by 21. Now in the A part we have to determine the reference voltage for keeping the E0 is equal to 250. So from this equation we will get reference voltage ER is equal to E0 divided by 200 divided by 21. Now we put the value of E0 is equal to 250, will get 250 divided by 200 divided by 21. When we solve this, we will get reference voltage at E0 is equal to 250 is equal to 26.25 volt. This we are getting for closed loop control system. Now if we want to find out A part for open loop control system, then output voltage upon input voltage will be equal to forward path gain G, and here G is given equal to 200. From this equation the reference voltage will be equal to E0 divided by 200. Now we put E0 is equal to 250 in this equation, we will get 250 divided by 200. When we solve this we will get 1.25 volt we are getting. Now we will solve the B part. We have to find the percentage change in the generator terminal voltage if the forward path gain is reduced by 10%. Old value of forward path gain is equal to 200. Now we have seen a 10% decrease in this value. That means the new value of the forward path gain will be 180. Here it is given that we have to find out the percentage change in the generator terminal voltage if the forward path gain is reduced by 10%. That means we have to find out the sensitivity of overall transfer function T with respect to forward path gain G, and its formula is 1 upon 1 plus GH. In the place of G we will put the new value of G here, which is equal to percentage change in T divided by percentage change in G. Now it is given that the percentage change in G is equal to 10%. Whether it is a decrease or increase, we will put here 10%. When we put the value, we will get STG is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 180 into 0.1. Since H is 0.1 here, is equal to percentage change in T divided by 10%. When we solve this, we will get 1 upon 19 is equal to percentage change in T divided by 10%. So from here we will get percentage change in T is equal to 10 by 19 percentage, which is equal to 0.5263 percentage. Now in this question we have to find out the percentage change in the generator terminal voltage, that is output voltage. From the block diagram of closed loop control system, we can see that the overall transfer function T is equal to output voltage E0, which is called as the generator terminal voltage, divided by reference voltage ER. So from this equation, the overall transfer function T is directly proportional to output voltage E0, that is generator terminal voltage. Since the overall transfer function is directly proportional to generator terminal voltage E0, percentage change in overall transfer function T is equal to percentage change in generator terminal voltage E0. Therefore, the percentage change in E0 is equal to 10 by 19%, which is equal to 0.5263 percentage. If we find out the percentage change in generator terminal voltage for open loop control system, we know that the sensitivity of T with respect to G will be equal to percentage change in T divided by percentage change in G, equal to, for open loop control system, the STG is equal to 1 we got. So from this equation we will get percentage change in T is equal to percentage change in G, and here the percentage change in G is equal to 10%. So percentage change in T is equal to 10% we will get, and since the percentage change in E0 is equal to percentage change in T, it will also be equal to 10% we will get. So hope you have understood the numerical. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.